Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create LinkedIn follow buttons, and this also applies to widgets for your specific LinkedIn showcase pages. Showcase pages are a new type of page that you can have in addition to your main company page on LinkedIn, and you may want to generate these custom follow buttons or widgets if you have content on a website specifically for one of your products or services. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do this. It's not too tricky, although LinkedIn doesn't make it easy by default, and we'll show you that in a second. But for most people, once you understand how this works, it's a pretty easy process. So what we'll do, we'll start out by going to the LinkedIn developer section on LinkedIn, and we'll have a, you may be able to see the URL that this is. We'll have a link to that in our blog post, so if you need that, you can go to the blog post. The link is under the video. And once you're at the plugin page on LinkedIn, you can go down to the Follow Company plugin, and this allows you to generate a follow button with a vertical counter, a horizontal counter, or no counter, as well as you can also create these company profile with a follow button for your showcase pages. So and the same method applies to all of them. So we're just going to use this horizontal button, and we'll go ahead and click Get It. And by the way, you have to be logged in to LinkedIn in order to easily generate this, and you need to be an admin for your company page. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get It, and it's got it knows I'm logged in, and it knows what my company page is, so it populates that here. And this is where LinkedIn doesn't make it easy. They don't allow you to put in your showcase page here, but there's a little workaround, and it's pretty simple. We can just go ahead and click Get Code, and we'll highlight and copy all of the code used to generate this. Now what we'll do in a editor, could be Notepad, I'm using Notepad++, you go ahead and paste the code from LinkedIn, and you'll see in the code, the last line, it says LinkedIn follow company, and then it says data ID equals, then it's got a number. That number actually represents the page that the person will be following. So the new showcase pages although they're different than a standard main company page, they are a company page. So what we need to do is find the number that would apply to our specific showcase page that we want to add the follow button for. So now let's go to LinkedIn, and let's type in the name of the showcase page that we want to create the follow button for, and we're going to go ahead and navigate to that. Now you can see in the URL there's a bunch of information here. I'm just going to delete this because it's not needed. Your showcase page actually has two URLs. It's got the vanity URL, which is made up of linkedin.com/company/ and then the name of your page. In this case, it would be Facebook-promotions. Or if you navigate to it by searching for it here and clicking on it in the suggestion box, it gives you a number. And this number is actually what we need to put into the code. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy that number, bring out my editor, and I'm just going to paste it in in place of the number that's in here, which represents our main company page. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. So now all you need to do is copy this code and paste it wherever you want it to be displayed on your website or websites. I'm not going to go into that because there could be a million different ways to do that. But anyway, so this gives you the code that will render one of these LinkedIn follow buttons, or you can use it to generate a LinkedIn follow widget like this. It could be a great tool to get people who are on your website to follow your company on LinkedIn, and specifically one of your new showcase pages. There's much more information on our blog about this topic. The LinkedIn showcase pages can be a very powerful tool in order to attract more people, not only within LinkedIn, but also within search engines, as your showcase pages will show up in search engine results on Google and the other search engines. So that's it. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful.